CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 22nd of June 2025. Pakistan has formally recommended President Donald Trump for the 2026 Nobel Peace Prize. Citing his decisive diplomatic intervention and significant leadership during the recent crisis between India and Pakistan in May 2025. According to the Pakistani government, President Trump resolved the problems due to strategic foresight and brilliant tactical strategy. Fatima is from Afghanistan and has fled to the shelter. She said that because of her Christian faith. A plan was prepared to kill her, but she believed that God would protect her, Okita says. Her family was killed in Nigeria by extremist groups like Boko Haram and armed Fulani herdsmen in the same days. Churches were attacked, people were displaced and in hiding, especially in the northern states. Their lives are constantly threatened by violent groups. Margoz says that religious tolerance towards Christians is waning in Bosnia. Christians are being restricted in the country, and people are being incited against Christians by using hateful words in speeches. Khortum said that Islamic attackers come to Chad, kidnap many Christians, and take them away. The body of his wife has been found in a state of unspeakable pain. Christians are facing severe violence. Bishop Yunan says that Islamic extremists have destroyed schools, hospitals, churches, and food stores. Now Christians in Sudan are without resources, waiting for help. But they do not know when a new attack will occur, and they will be killed. Patricia said that they were peacefully protesting that the police did not attack them. Seeing the cross around their necks, they started beating them more. Action is also being taken against Christians in Kenya. Jala said in Laos that there is no religious freedom. Buddhists commit murder and destruction. When Christians go to bury their dead, they are told not to defile our land. Saipodin was building a church in Indonesia. Islamic extremists attacked and killed him. Now the church construction has stopped and no one is coming to build the church. Francis Yong is being held in forced labor camps in North Korea because of his faith. Possessing just one Bible is punishable by death or life in prison in these camps. Entire families often suffer the same fate. Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.